Way to go, my
$10
friend.
bet.
Nice hit. $10 bet.
Okay, fill her up.
Let's get the grand. Oh, I gotta
Yeah,
keep my
get
big
it.
head out of the way.
Yeah, keep your hands out of the way. There we go. It's all right, guys.
What I hit.
I'm so happy for you. Are you glad you did?
The slot.
Awesome. Yeah, seriously.
Okay, this is my life score. All right. He was playing the one I was playing. Look at that, guys. There we go.
2,500. Well, I'm glad I was here to witness that. That was awesome.
That's great.
Almost it's still alive.
Fantastic. $2 Dino, $10 bet. Got the $500 mini. We're gonna film it anyway. We made
228 bucks on 30 cents.
Wow. Did you? Wow. This one has been killing me, but I'm saying low. Wow. $100. Yeah, that's pretty.
Now, triple it.
Yeah, triple it. Okay, let's get that major and that minor. 1 cent.
Drop that major. I dare you. Now that. Don't be so stingy. Fill it up. Fill it up.
$1 bet. Amazing. Okay. A little bit. Hey guys, look at this. We came back because somebody just had it. Look at that. Today, $25,000 dollar. My husband's in down there. All right, here we go. Somebody just won today $25,000 on a dollar bet. Oh man, I don't know how long ago it was, but I was out working on my computer. I would have been playing here. Wouldn't that have been great? Let's see, we got 10, 10, 10. We need more, one more. Give me a corner. Give me a corner. I'll take a corner. No. Oh well. 250 bet. All right, 57. I was down there and nothing there. Okay. Minor.
Nice work.
Okay. Only 250 bet. I'll take it. Now let's get that major. Major is 544. This one hit earlier. A guy was betting here 750 to 1250, and he didn't do well, so he left. So I thought, okay, I'll try. Corner, please. How about a corner, baby? Give me a corner. That's it. But we got a 50. I want that major too. Let's go. Good. Okay, we got a little money back. Good. I don't know though with somebody getting the grand. Probably take it back down, guys. Okay, one more. It's not hitting. Do a $10 bet. Nope, nothing's dollars there. From there, that was dead. Okay. We're just at 150. They're only hitting on the lower bets for me today. The guy was hitting higher, but I don't have that much money to lose. I didn't bring that big of a stash. Okay, there's nothing there. Oh my God. Wow. That's bad, guys. I got $13 out. He just won a jackpot, 2,700 down there. He was playing this one earlier, but betting much higher than me. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that was only $4. Oh, it was blocked. It was blocked. Oh my God, that was horrible. But it's only $1. Wow. Isn't that something, guys? Wow. 40. Okay, because I was losing. Got to keep it going. It should have hit more often.
Two more. Oh, you
So I moved over to Magic Pearl. Let's go. They have 2 Magic Pearls here. One on the other side, one here. 2 of everything. We're at Tulalip. Okay, we're only at a we're at a $3 bet. So can we get the major? Drop that. Usually the major will drop that at the very beginning for me when I get it. One more. Let's go. Come on, let's do it. One more. Oh, good. Do. There's the minor. Major is 624. Grand is 22. Okay, let's go. Somebody hit the grand yesterday at 25,000. It's already almost 23 now. How about one more? Let's go. Oh, no, but it was fun to get it. Oh, I forgot I'm at 2 cents. Good. Nice. Very good. All right, guys, we almost got 100. All right, let's see. We only need another 100 to be 140 to be even. Come on, let's see what we got. Let's do better than we did last time. Okay. Okay, that's okay. Give me a case. I like that gold case, don't you? Or a chip. Big chip. Come on. Where is it? Chip. All right. Better than my last one. Oh, did you see that chip? Oh, too bad. All right, something. $1. It hasn't done doing anything for me. Okay, we're gonna try a $10 bet real quick. No, guys, pretty low. I'm only betting 2 cents, $1 denom, but we're down $320. I tried the higher bet, nothing. So we're just gonna see if we can build it back. We're down almost 320, right? Corner. I need a corner. It's not usually I hit better, so that's it. All right, not much. I think I'm correct when somebody gets to 25,000. Okay. We'll see. I bet him before and it gave me very little. We'll see. Get that major minor. The first time I think I got $4 or something. Oh wow. Yeah, I did that kind of thing. Wow. $10. I got 20. Film it anyway. We made
28 bucks on 30 cents.
Wow. Did you?
Yeah.
Wow. This one has been killing me, but I'm saying low. Wow. $100. Yeah, that's pretty.
Now, triple it.
Yeah, triple it. Okay, let's get that major and that minor. 1 cent.
Drop that major. I dare you. Come on. Don't be so stingy. Fill it up.
$1 bet. Amazing. Okay. That's it, guys. I'll take that $100. Pretty. Can you imagine if that was $1 Dino?
that'd be a
I mean, no, it'd be 10,000. So now we know they come down. But I don't know if it'll come down. Okay, 4. All right, we got $5.
Yeah, again.
Give me the major. All right, on $1. That's why it's important to do. Well, that person just sat down and got in. Okay. $10. We'll take it. Keep going. Come on, drop that major. Can we? Ba 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 ba. All right, that's it, guys. Let's go. We still. Okay. So.
Let's go, big money. Oh, nice hit.
It's pretty good on $1. It's amazing.
Twice now with the chip.
Three times.
Oh,
3 times. I got a $5 one last time.
that's right.
That's all right. Hey, I can't believe I'm doing that well on $1. Amazing. And somebody hit that jackpot up there at $1. 25,000 on my tiki. It was, they said. I thought it was today, but it was yesterday. Go, drop it. Yay, he said. Go, guy, go.
That dollar count.
Let's go. $21? Good, come on, here we go. Oh, nice. On $1. Let's go. That's funny. On $1. I've been trying higher bets too. Nothing.
Yeah.
I can't believe this is the best one I've had so far on $1. All right, one more. Can we do it? That was fun. No, but that's all right, guys.
Try a little cheap.
All right, you do it. $2.50. I was trying 5 cent, 2 cent, 10 cent, but couldn't get in. Let's see what we can get. Nice. We love it. Let's get another case. 16. It likes that car. Oh, that car keeps dropping. Wow. Okay, guys, not real good. Oh, that car dropped 4 times. Ew. Not a good one. We got $16 out. There's the low roll. Somebody got one on $1 bet. That was 25,000 yesterday here at Talema Resort on Tiki Fire. Congratulations, whoever you are. But that was a thrill. Got the major. Sorry guys, my hands was all over this when I saw that. Oh, isn't that great? I got my major. Thank you. Okay, now let's get the grand. Let's get the minor too. Trifecta. Oh, I'm so happy. 2 cent enough. Can we do one more? It hasn't been dropping anymore. Oh, we got one. Okay. Wow, I got it. Yay. Oh, that's good. Yay. Oh, I love it. Okay, come on, let's go. Right there, right there. Okay. Oh, mini. 20. Okay, anywhere. We'll take anything. Go, baby, go. Come on, stop it. One more. Oh, good 30. Wow. That's going to be a good one. Glad I came back. Wow. Oh, I'm so happy. Come on, right there. Let's do it. One right next to the beautiful green. Last one, guys. Let's see what's going to happen. That's it, but I'm happy. All right. So that's going to be almost, not quite 700, you think? Let's see. This is good. Isn't that nice? Da, 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 da. The other one that I was playing was $900, but it just wouldn't hit, man. All right, here we go. Let's go. 30, 15, 45. Oh yeah, this. Oh wow, this is great, guys. I did super well. Okay. All right, 700. Nice. Love it. Let's go. Hey, honey. All right. Come on. Let's go. 3. Come on now. Come on. Let's go. Let's go up to 5. Turn